Hey guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the Lookfantastic box. The box looks very beautiful, it feels very heavy, but I will say the reason why these boxes feel really heavy is because of the come on, open up. Because of the L magazine that is right in here, and I'm just gonna be honest, I don't ever read these suckers, so I don't know, I could have done without. Let's see, it says over here, individually we are one drop. Together we are an ocean. Okay, so we got the little booklet. There are no prices mentioned, as y'all know, in the booklet. So I don't know the prices of these items. If you really want to know, I know I'm a lazy YouTuber, but if you really want to know the prices, Google them. That's the only thing I can say. Let's rip this sucker apart. Ooh, it looks really cool. Okay, this is what the box looks like. Okay, so the first thing in here is this from Rituals, and this is the Ritual of Tao. It is, what is this? Rich Nourishing Body Cream. So it looks like this, and this is the fella that was in the booklet that's gonna be like in the next box. I think it's, yeah, it's on the back. It always says what item's gonna be in the next box. And this fella was that item. So I knew that this fella was gonna be in the box. I know I'm a bit reflecting of the lights. Oh, there we go. I think you can see it better this way. So moving on to something else. This is from Madara. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. This is the SOS Instant Moisture Plus Radiance Hydra Mask. Okay, so this is a mask in a little box. Oh wow, that's really small. Okay, so the box is approximately this big, and then the item is only this big. I'm not really sure what companies package like a lot of cardboard for such a small package, and honestly, it could have came without the box at all. This is clearly not a full size. Let's see, this is 12.5 milliliters or 0.4 fluid ounces. I don't know, I'm really excited about masks, and holding it up into the light, it's half full, so you don't really get a lot. Really excited though to see what it does. As y'all know, I am obsessed with masks. I absolutely love them. Do them twice a week at least. So yeah, excited to see what this fella does. I don't know if I showed you guys, so this is what that little sucker looks like. Okay, we still have a lot more in here. This box is pretty big. Moving on to something in this little squeezy tube. I think you get like these, what are they called? Are they Capri Sun? Like these kids' juices in this sort of thing. But this is from Real Chemistry. This is Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. Wow. Okay, this is really cool that it's in here. It's also really weird. Clearly not a full size, but a sample size. This is what that fella, see, I'm reflecting a lot from these lights, but this is what that fella looks like. Really eager to see what it does once again. Moving on to something from Elemis, and we already received something from them. It was a day cream. I did not like it. I'm just going to be honest. I did do it in an empties video, so along the lines, y'all will see it, because empties are always pre-recorded with me, because I empty out a hell of a lot of stuff, because I use a hell of a lot of stuff. So by the time one empties video comes up, I pretty much already filmed like a third or fourth, so it's gonna be a lot. Anyway, this is Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. Okay, this is pretty cool. Prebiotic gel cleanser. What type of a skin though? It doesn't say for what type of a skin. No, it doesn't. Okay, because I do have dry skin, so I have to watch out with like foams are definitely not suited for my skin tone, but gels usually are. So really excited again to give it a try and to see what it does. Moving on to a bigger little pot, which is fabulous. It's fabulous. It's from Vita Liberata. I think this is Italian, is it? Doesn't say so. Made in the UK. Oh, yeah, okay. Self-tanning gradual lotion. Okay, this is cool. It has maracuja or maracuja, whatever you want to call it, oil in here. But this is really cool, especially for now. The sun is out there, so you can, you know, sunbathe or whatever to get a tan. But definitely the safest way to go is a self-tan. So this comes in very, very handy. Really excited to see what this is. Wait, is this a lotion or self-tanning gradual lotion? I do think that you have to put on like a little bit more of this than the regular. This is not like the regular self-tanner stuff. At least I think it's not. I will have to read the booklet because, hey, this is just like I see it for the first time. But usually with these self-tanning gradual lotions, at least what I know from experience, is that when you put it on some more, like more than once, then slowly you'll get like a tan, but definitely not from the first time. So I will have to read up on that. Moving on, we still have two more things, and then the boxes. I mean, there's a lot in this box. I really like it. So the first thing is in a little pot. This is from Christoph Robin. Cleansing volumizing paste. Okay, for what? This 85% of natural origin formula brings immediate volume and thickness. Oh, to fine hair without weighing it down. Aha. Okay, so this is for your hair. Apply on wet hair, massage into the scalp, emulsify then rinse. Apply the volumizing conditioner. Oh, okay, we don't have that. Ooh, oh yeah, this definitely is a paste. Doesn't, you know what this smells like? You know when you go to like your hairdresser and the smell of ammonia is pretty, you know, there in any hairdresser salon? It smells like that. So I'm a little bit worried about that. I'm not really sure if I want to put this on my scalp if it has ammonia in there. But then again, what the hell am I complaining? I bleached the out of my hair. So anyway, this is what that fella looks like. And then on the inside, the paste, see that? Ooh, it's weird. Now, for the last item in the box, it is, I have no idea. It just says Studio 10 and that is it. And is it sealed? Yes, it is also sealed. So I'm not really sure whether this is a lip gloss or not. It does look like a lip gloss. Let me just check the booklet for this one because Studio 10 Liquid Foil Eye Radiance, a crease resistant eyeshadow. Oh, eyeshadow, seriously? Okay, I'm not into liquid eyeshadows at all. So you know what I'm gonna do with this little fella? I'm gonna do it somewhere, pass it along somewhere in a giveaway, so keep your eyes open if you want this fella. I do have a giveaway open right now. Make sure to check out the first link in the bio. It's not my last video, but the video before that. Make sure to enter as well. So yeah, y'all will be seeing this along in a giveaway somewhere. Okay guys, that is it. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whoa, 7 items this time. Okay, I will say there's a lot of like travel size items like this. These are all definitely travel size items. I do think of this fella is 70 milliliters, but I do think like the full-on body lotion is bigger because I used to have body lotions from Rituals. So I think this is a travel size as well. So actually, the only thing that are full size, even if this is a full size, because I don't know, for this one I do know. But anyway, still, I really enjoyed this month's box. Honestly, I was kind of hoping for like an SPF of some sort, like some protective type of a thing. We did not get it in this month's box, so I am afraid that we're going to get it either in July or August, and then, like I said in my last video, it's going to be useless. So I really do hope that it's either in the next box or just not in the box at all. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know down below, what do you guys think about this box? I personally loved it. I really do think this is the best Lookfantastic box so far. Like I said, I'd like to thank y'all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!